Okay, as going ahead, I would request Prachi ma'am to share her screen and publish the brochure and certificates.
Yeah, so this is the certificate. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Can we have a big round of applause for this as well? Thank you so much, Prachi ma'am and Vibhas sir. I would request Prachi ma'am to share a few words.
Thanks a lot, Monica. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Saurav, for inviting me here. Good evening to everyone and good evening to Professor Vibhas. Nice meeting you, sir, maybe though online only. I have been knowing Mr. Saurabh, I think first we interacted maybe somewhere around 2017 or so.
Yes.
Where I was heading the Department of Marketing at ITM Business School, and we had called him for few guest lectures for our students. And those guest lectures were having so much of content to offer to our students that again in 2018 we called him for a workshop. Okay, and it was not any 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 hour kind of a workshop, but it was a full 2 days, 16 hours of workshop which he did, and which in 2018 he did it on AI and ML. Okay, so and today during pandemic we are realizing how urgent is that need now. Okay, in fact, I was going through one article where it was saying that IBM conducted one study recently, and it was found that AI had to be embedded in all business processes today. Okay, so that is the urgent need. Okay, in whichever sector you may be in, but AI is going to be the main game changer. Okay, and I think Mr. Saurabh is very well equipped in all of these tools and technologies. So the young professionals, the new students who are going to enroll for this particular course, since because see in ITM also we had a whole digital marketing course. So I know what all content we also covered in digital marketing course. So when I went through your course curriculum, the entire brochure of your MMDI, I found it so very well equipped with all the latest of the learnings on tools and technologies which is required for today's youth. Not only youth, in fact, everyone would really have to go through this kind of a digital transformation journey now. Okay, so that after pandemic, when we are returning back to our workplaces, we return smarter. Okay, so that transformation journey everyone has to undergo. And I'm really so very happy that this MMDI is launching this particular course, and there will be so many students who will be benefiting out of it. So from the marketing point of view, if I just look at it, the first thing which came to my mind was that you have filled in such a right need gap. Okay, because the need to learn is not going to go. Okay, in fact, that need to learn, update oneself with whatever new is coming into the market is going to grow now. And now what has happened is digital is one thing. In fact, all businesses got impacted through pandemic. Of course, education sector also got impacted, but colleges and schools did not shut down. Factories shut down, but colleges and schools did not shut down. The reason was digital. Immediately, everyone learned the new digital tools, this Google Meet, this Zoom, this Teams, and everywhere. And we knew, and even most technical of the subjects, engineering subjects, are being taught through online today. So that's the way the world is going to be. So I think the very relevant need gap has been filled, which is the need to learn and the need to learn digital. Okay, so all the tools and technologies which you are going to impart to the people, that is definitely going to make a big difference. So yeah, my compliments, heartiest compliments to you and to your team for this launch, and I'm really happy to be a part of this launch event. Thanks a lot, Saurabh, for calling me, and compliments once again.